HICCTV Security Group. Differences between Wi-Fi and wired cameras. Wi-Fi cameras. Wi-Fi cameras rely on a wireless network to transmit data. While this setup can be convenient and easy to install, it is highly dependent on the strength and stability of your Wi-Fi connection. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable, the camera's performance will suffer, leading to Wired cameras. Wired cameras, on the other hand, use physical cables, typically Ethernet, to connect to the network and power source. This ensures a stable and reliable connection, free from interference and signal degradation. As a result, wired cameras can provide consistent, high-quality video.